Hi friends,
Hi friends, welcome back to Dalia's Fun Page. Today we're going to be learning animal sounds. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a la página divertida de Dalia. Hoy vamos a aprender los sonidos de animales.
Dalia Fun Page.
Which one is your favorite animal? ¿Cuál es tu favorito animal? Which one's your favorite? Oh, the teddy bear is your favorite? The bear?
So cute.
El oso es el favorito de Dalia.
This is bear.
Este es el oso. What sound does a bear make? ¿Cómo suena un oso?
Or sound the baby.
Yes. You guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
Pretty bunny.
Es un conejo. What sound does a bunny make? ¿Cómo suena un conejo? Yes. You guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
A baby chick.
Este es un pollito. And this is so cute because it's such a baby chick. And what sound does a baby chick make? ¿Cómo suena un pollito? Yes. You guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. A cow. Esta es la vaca. What sounds like a cow? ¿Cómo suena una vaca? Yes. You guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. Is a doggy. Este es un perro.
T-Rex.
Yes, your doggy, his name is T-Rex. What sounds like a dog? ¿Cómo suena un perro? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. It's a donkey. Este es el burro. It has big ears, right? Donkey.
So cute.
It's so cute, the donkey. What
Bye.
sound does a donkey make? ¿Cómo suena un burro? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. Oh, a little duck. Este es el pato. What sounds like a duck? ¿Cómo suena un pato? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
Quack, 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 quack.
The elephant. Elephants are so cute.
Este es un elefante.
With their big trunks? Yeah, what sound does the elephant make?
¿Cómo suena un elefante?
Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
This is a frog.
Esta es una rana.
And what sound does a frog make?
¿Cómo suena una rana?
Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
Ribbit.
Who's your next animal there?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
I see giraffe.
You have seen the giraffe. And where do we see the giraffe?
In the zoo.
Esta es la jirafa. What sounds like a giraffe? ¿Cómo suena una jirafa? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. That's a hippo? Hippos are big, right?
Hipopótamo. What sound does the hippopotamus make? ¿Cómo suena un hipopótamo?
Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
This is leopard.
Este es el leopardo. What sounds like a leopard? ¿Cómo suena un leopardo? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. The lion. Este es el león. King of the jungle. What sounds like a lion? ¿Cómo suena un león? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste.
What?
The lion.
This is a monkey.
Este es el mono. What sounds like a monkey? ¿Cómo suena un mono? Yes, you guessed? Sí, lo adivinaste. This is is a mouse.
I like no.
Ratón. What sound does a mouse make? ¿Qué sonido hace el ratón?
Yes, you guessed. Sí, lo adivinaste.
This is a sheep.
Oveja. What sound does the sheep make? ¿Qué sonido hace la oveja?
Yes, you guessed. Sí, lo adivinaste. The tiger. Y este es el tigre. What sound do you think the tiger makes? ¿Cómo suena el tigre? Yes, you guessed. Sí, lo adivinaste.
I'm thinking.
You're thinking. What sound does it make?
Five, four, three, two, one. Hey, it's Talia. It's not gonna explore. Welcome to the video. Yes, the video.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here, with a chick chick there, your chick there, chick everywhere, chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, with a quack quack there, here quack there, quack everywhere, quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and an oink oink there, your oink there, oink everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, with a moo moo there, your moo there, moo everywhere, moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here, with a meow meow there, your meow there, meow everywhere, meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here, with a bow wow there, here bow there, bow everywhere, bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Friends, which is your favorite farm animal? Is it a cow? Is it a duck? Leave in the comments below. If you're watching our video, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the like button. Also check Mitts and Explore Today's homepage. Bye. 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 Bye.
subscribe for more fun, and be sure to hit the notification bell.
Check out Milton Bees Vlog. Click on one of these videos for more fun.